In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace fender liners on the Toyota Camry, located in both front fender wells. 21mm socket, we're going to remove the tire. So there are 6 mounting screws on the outer edge going around, and it's a Phillips head. So I'm going to take those off first. The last one. Now we're going to set these aside. So there's 8 screws that are a 10mm socket head or a Phillips in the center. I'm going to use a socket. We'll start from underneath here. Sometimes they're going to just break free. The speed clip is probably broken. Okay, there's one. Now we'll go inside the fender well. Now we're in the fender well, and we'll just work. It goes like a zigzag across in the front, then in the center, now back on the inner, one on the inner, like I said, a zigzag pattern, and then there's one below here. Okay, all right, I'm going to start at the mud flap area and then work my way over to the front bumper. I'm just going to grab that and pull it out of the way, and then grab the fender liner. You'll see all these little plastic clips. So when you install the fender liner, I want you to see these clips and how it's like a Z shape. So the part with the ear on it is what you want to stay sticking out. So you're going to just pop that in like that over the hole. There we go, let it snap into place. And this little piece right here is what's going to catch on the metal of the fender well. I'm going to go from the front backwards towards the rear, because you have this little cutout here, so you know that's going to go there. And let's see if we can get this. Sometimes I'm going to use a trim tool or a small screwdriver, and you can take that little plastic clip. So make sure they're all above. Bring around the back. Line that up. There you go. Kind of falls into place. And then we'll take our mud flap. Now let's get the screws and put them back in. 10mm socket. Line them up. I'm just going to get this to stay in place. Then I'll put that one down below. And then the one below. The ones with the nice wide penny size heads on them are for the mud flap area. Line that up. There's 3 of them in that mud flap. No, let's loosen that. Show you what they look like. Little flat heads. Phillips with the little small round heads. There's only 3. The pinch on the rail here. Now you're ready to put your tire on. And start your lug nuts. We'll just snug them up in a star pattern and then torque them to spec. 21mm socket, and the torque is 76 foot-pounds. Double check. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.